Sheena's family and Gabe's family, and I'm so proud of the way they've handled all this. It's horrible. It's the worst situation you can imagine.
Tonight, the families of Beaumont police officers Sheena Yarbrough Powell and Gabriel Fells are one step closer to justice. Instead of facing a jury, the man accused of intoxication manslaughter in Yarbrough Powell's death, Luis Torres, decided to plead guilty today. His attorneys came to an agreement with prosecutors to cap his sentence at 30 years. And now they're preparing for a sentencing hearing that'll be happening in late May. 12 News reporter Cameron Seibert is live at 10 with the analysis from a defense attorney, an expert on this, and what to expect at that sentencing. Cam?
Well, Jordan, today's guilty plea can really be seen as a win for both sides. For Torres, it means a lowered maximum sentence of 30 years, and for the victim's family, it means no trial. Before jury selection could even start in the trial of Luis Torres, the defense pled guilty. They came to an agreement with the district attorney's office. Torres now faces a maximum of 30 years in prison for intoxication manslaughter. And instead of intoxication assault for injuring a second officer, he is being charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon.
This type of thing is not unusual at all.
Attorney Bruce Smith is not involved with the case, but offered his expertise. He says the agreement is a win for both sides.
Both parties are taking a risk when you're submitting something to a jury, and you never know exactly, how the evidence is going to come down during the course of the trial. Especially when you have good lawyers on both sides. Anything could happen.
Beaumont Police Chief Jimmy Singletary calls it a relief.
I'm glad, I think the family's glad that they don't have to go through a trial, that this Sheena's family and Gabe's family and the Beaumont PD family, I'm so proud of them.
The focus now turns to a sentencing hearing in May. Judge John Stevens and all attorneys will receive background information on Torres. 12 News has confirmed Torres had a clean record before the crash.
Comparing him with someone who is constantly involved in the criminal justice system, it's a big plus.
It now comes down to deciding punishment.
If there's some aggravating facts that the court needs to consider, the state's going to want to present that to the judge. If there's mitigating facts that the judge should consider, then the defense is going to want the judge to consider that.
And the charges Torres faces are now concurrent, meaning if they're added together, his maximum sentence can still only be 30 years. That hearing is scheduled for May 23rd. Live in Beaumont, Cameron Seibert, 12 News.